Why is a consultation important before getting a major haircut? A consultation ensures you and your stylist are on the same page about your desired look. It allows the stylist to assess your hair type, texture, and face shape to recommend the best cut. Drastic changes, like going from long to short or adding layers, require careful planning to suit your lifestyle. Your stylist can explain how much daily maintenance your new haircut will require. If you're unsure about a style, a consultation gives you professional guidance on what will complement your features. It helps prevent miscommunication or regret, especially if you're making a bold change. Your stylist may suggest gradual changes instead of a dramatic cut if you're nervous about a big transformation. Discussing your hair history, products, and styling habits ensures your new cut will work with your routine. For those with curly or textured hair, a consultation determines the best cutting techniques to enhance natural shape. It also helps identify potential challenges, like uneven hair growth or damage, before making the cut. Seeing reference photos and discussing expectations helps avoid surprises after the haircut. A proper consultation leads to a flattering, confident new look that matches your personality and lifestyle.